Do you know how to make a quiz in a Google Classroom? If no, you can see this tutorial. First, make sure that you already made a classroom in a Google Classroom. Then choose Classwork menu and create quiz assignment. And then fill title with quiz 1 and the instruction let it be blank. And if you have deadline, you can fill the due date and time. Then we click blank quiz to make a quiz form. Then rename blank quiz with basic counting. In this section, we made student identity. We rename it as a student name. We choose short answer as type of answer. Turn on the required so it should be filled. For the next, we do the same steps for student's number. This is the end of student identity section. Then we add a new section that is a question section. Here we add all of the questions for the quiz. We type one by one all of the questions that already prepared before. We choose the type of answer as multiple choices. Type the question. We also type the option answer one by one. Next, we click the answer key, and then we choose which one is the correct answer. And then we fill the plain answer. We do the same steps to add question number 2. I almost forget that we can shuffle the order of option answer so that each student have different answer. Next, we add notification number 3. Since there is picture in the question, so we click picture button to add the picture. Choose the location of the picture. Okay, the picture already added. Then we fill the option answer like before. For question number 4, since there is mathematical equation, we cannot input as a text, so we capture it and make it. After we get question in the picture form, we add it in the question form like number 3. We do the same steps for answer options using snipping tool and add the answer option in the picture form. After finish making quiz form, we back again in classroom and then menu classwork. Then click menu assign in the right top corner and then choose assign. Finally, your quiz already sent into your students. That's all from me. I'm Chatarina Mauren saying thank you for all of you and hopefully you can use it.